It expands the chest. We are able to take more breath in. अपने आप जारी रखें धीमी गति से. After this last round, you may relax. इस श्वास के बाद विश्राम करें. Now we will do the Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. If you already know how to do the pranayam, you can begin the rounds, and if you are new, then with the left hand make the chin mudra, which is the tip of the thumb and the tip of the index finger lightly touching each other. The other three fingers are straight and together. Place this on the left lap. Right hand comes in front of the face. Right thumb on the right nostril. Index and middle finger lightly touching in between the eyebrows. And ring finger on the left nostril. बाएं हाथ से चिन मुद्रा, दाहिने हाथ का अंगूठा दाहिनी नासिका पे, तर्जनी और मध्यमा दोनों भुवों के बीच में छूती हुई और अनामिका बाईं नासिका पे. Now breathe in from both the nostrils. दोनों नासिका से सांस अंदर. Breathe out from left, बाएं से बाहर. Breathe in from left, बाएं से अंदर. And out from right, दाहिने से बाहर. In from right, दाहिने से अंदर. Out from left, बाएं से बाहर. और ऐसे ही जारी रखें. Continue this way. Keep the head and neck straight. Let the breath be soft and long. Don't put any pressure in your breath. कोई भी जोर ना लगाएं सांस में. गर्दन को सीधा रखें. धीमी गति की लंबी सांसें. After you complete this round, you may relax. ये राउंड समाप्त करके विश्राम करें. Sit in a comfortable pose. If you wish to support your back or straighten your legs, you may do so. आरामदायक स्थिति में बैठें ध्यान के लिए. पीठ को टेक लगानी हो, पैरों को फैलाना हो, वैसा कर सकते हैं. आँखों को बंद रखें और अब हम गुरुदेव के साथ ध्यान करेंगे. Let us keep eyes closed as we join Gurudev for the meditation.
Sit comfortably, easily. Spine erect, रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधा हो और शरीर जैसे खूंटे में कपड़ा टांग रहा है, ऐसे रीढ़ की हड्डी में शरीर टंगी हुई है, ऐसे महसूस करो. Like the coat which hangs on a knob, a stand, our body is relaxed, hanging, and the spine is straight. Relax the body more and more and keeping the spine erect. Not much effort is needed to keep the spine erect. And relax your body, feeling the spine getting straight. रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधा, शरीर को ढीला छोड़ते हैं. चेहरे में मुस्कान बना रहे. सांस की उष्णता पर ध्यान दें. Pay attention to the temperature of your breath. कुछ नहीं करना है. This moment there is nothing to do, so don't do anything. As you keep relaxing the body, the temperature of breath also comes down. शरीर को ढीला छोड़ते छोड़ते, गहरी विश्राम में उतरते उतरते हमारी सांस में भी शीतलता आने लगेगी, उष्णता कम होने लगेगी. As the mind expands and body relaxes, your breath becomes shallow, light, and cooler. जैसे मन शांत होने लगता है, फैलने लगता है, शरीर विश्राम में जाने लगता है, आपकी सांस में भी उष्णता कम होता हुआ नजर आएगा. सांस धीमी चलने लगेगी और उसकी उष्णता भी कम होता हुआ महसूस होता है. शरीर को और गहरी विश्रांति मिले, मन फैलने लग जाए, हमारी सांस शीतल होती जाए। Let go of all your efforts and let go of all the wants just for a while. थोड़ी देर के लिए सभी चाहों को दरकिनारे कर दे। सब प्रयत्नों को छोड़ दे। सांस शीतल होता हुआ महसूस करोगे आप। While passion brings in heat, dispassion brings cooling impact. आसक्ति शरीर में उष्णता को बढ़ाती, सांस में उष्णता को और तेजी को बढ़ाती। विरक्ति शांत कर देती। हमारे श्वास, मन तथा शरीर शीतलता को प्राप्त करती है। विरक्ति Just be patient for the breath to cool down. You cannot hurry up. It happens on its own. Let's take a deep breath in. जल्दीबाजी में शीतलता नहीं प्राप्त होगी। सब्र करें। इस वक्त जो भी है उसको वैसे ही रहने दो। न कुछ मिटाना है तो न कुछ करना है। This moment, you don't want to get rid of anything or create anything. Just let it be. Whatever it is, just let it be. ओम शांति शांति शांति। मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते गहरी सांस लें और धीरे और आंखें खोल सकते हैं।
Slowly and gradually, you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आप अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हैं. How are you feeling? कैसे लग रहा है आपको? How is your mind? How does your body feel after the meditation? Do share your experience with us in the comments. And yesterday, towards the end of the meditation, Gurudev's volume was a little low. This is rare, it can happen sometimes, that the volume is less. If it happens, I would encourage you to keep your eyes closed and just relax. Yeah, it will auto-correct. Yeah. Also, if you open your eyes, you miss out on the experience of meditation. So best is to just keep the eyes closed. In case you're not able to hear the instruction, never mind. Just relax. Anyways, meditation will happen on its own. Yeah. देखिए आज ध्यान के दौरान थोड़ा अंत में शायद गुरुदेव का वॉल्यूम थोड़ा कम था. कभी कभार ऐसे तो कम है ही, कभी रेयरली हो सकता है ऐसा हो जाए. तो हमें क्या करना है, आंखें बंद ही रखनी है. आंखें खोल के अगर हम टेक्स्ट करते हैं तो हमारा ध्यान मिस हो जाएगा, है ना. और हम चाहते हैं आप में से किसी का एक भी ध्यान का एक्सपीरियंस मिस ना हो, इसलिए आप आंखें बंद ही रखें. जो पहले गुरुदेव ने इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया था बस उसका पालन करते हुए विश्राम करें. गुड. If you have any questions, please stay back. We'll take some of your questions. कोई भी प्रश्न हो तो आप रुक सकते हैं, आपके कुछ प्रश्न लेते हैं. I have trigeminal neuralgia on the right side. Can I do these breathing techniques? Yes. All of these breathing techniques are good for you. In fact, they will help in your pain management. You can avoid Bhastrika. It may be a little too forceful. Great. Wow.
Why my both legs are feeling heavy, Devika?
Yeah, sometimes we are not used to sitting for so long in a cross-legged posture or in a particular fixed posture. So it might happen, but you can stretch your legs out and sit before meditation. This will help you be more comfortable. I'm so happy to see so many of you are sharing your experience and writing them down. This is really good. This keeps you also more involved in the challenge. So keep going, and also don't forget to share this with your friends and family. If you are enjoying it, if you are learning something new here, it's always a good idea to share. Yeah, next question.
Ma'am, I organized my drawer as per your advice. It felt good.
Nice, good. I hope did many of you also do this? Did you do a little bit of organizing, a little bit of cleaning? How did that make you feel? Please share that also. I feel a blockage in my chest while meditation. I think what you mean is a kind of pressure. A slight pressure can happen during meditation. So for some people may feel it in the head or chest or palms or even the legs. It's okay, right? As long as it's not a persistent pressure, only during meditation for some time you're feeling, it's okay.
Is that common to sleep while meditating, Swati?
Swati, first of all, I would say, what you think is sleep may not be really sleep, it just may be meditation. What is the way to check? If during meditation you are still able to hear the instructions, what's happening around you, if some part of you is alert, then that is meditation, not sleep. Yeah. However, If really you fell asleep during meditation, it's okay. Maybe your body just needs rest. Yeah? So it's fine. How to control emotions or the triggers of our emotions. Okay. See, first of all, what is wrong with emotions? Yeah, we are human beings, we are supposed to have emotions. But if it is, they are very extreme emotions or they are really bothering you or staying for too long, then include meditation in your day-to-day life. This is not something that can happen like that. It needs to build over time. That strength from within, that stability builds over time, and for that consistent practice is required. तो मेक श्योर आप रोज़ आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं तो आपको अपने आप अंदर से वो मजबूती महसूस होने लगेगी.
My mom has sciatica. Is this good for her as she faces difficulty in long sittings? And what is good for her to relieve the pain? Bhavya.
Asanas will help. Some yogasanas will help, So her posture during pranayama. Your question again.
I haven't missed any class from day one. My productivity and positivity started to increase since I've started to attend these classes.
Glad to hear that. Will it increase my concentration? Regular practice, definitely. I'm a tinnitus patient. Please suggest me some pranayam. Very soon, tomorrow and day after, we are going to teach you a pranayam which will help you. We did not talk about vagus nerve at all. So we did, in fact, in the beginning. Perhaps you joined a little later. Vagus nerve is the 10th cranial nerve. It controls a lot of our involuntary functions like breathing, digestion, heart rate, all of this. In fact, it is the switch between the rest and digest mode and the fight and flight mode. And deep breathing exercises, the way we are doing here, the pranayams, they activate the vagus nerve and hence put the body in rest and digest. So I've just quickly recapped for you, but we did speak in more detail in the beginning. I think you may have missed it. While meditating, there are sounds nearby. Yeah, there will be sounds, we cannot make the entire environment quiet before meditation. Some sounds may be there. So what is the way for you to not let the sounds affect you or disturb you? Just accept them. Say, okay, these sounds are there. I'm going to meditate, it's okay. Yeah. Then they will not bother you so much.
Meditation helps in nausea and liver function, Harshita.
See, these are two separate things. For nausea, yes, definitely pranayams will help. They bring a lot more balance. And for liver, see, it's a combination of many things. Our liver is affected by what we are eating. Our lifestyle affects our liver, but a very big trigger for the liver is stress. Yeah? So meditation and pranayam, regular practice really helps to keep the stress down, the cortisol levels down, and that positively impacts our liver health. Having said that, you have to take care of your food, your diet, your exercise, your lifestyle in total. Yeah? Tears fell from my eyes during meditation today. It's okay, Dr. Shushmita. Okay, I have answered this. Pranayam for cervical spondylitis headaches. Any kind of headaches actually, Nadi Shodhan pranayam is very beneficial. You can practice that.
Can you please share what's the purpose or benefit of Chin Mudra in Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, Shweta?
It's more at the prana level, all the mudras, they direct prana to different parts of the body. Chin Mudra is supposed to be conducive for relaxation. That's why. Can you arrange a program for Sudarshan Kriya? Stay connected, stay with us till the end, and we are going to share with you how you can learn Sudarshan Kriya.
What if someone calls or shows up when we are meditating? Kunal is asking.
So, for the call, it's very simple. You can keep your phone on silent when you sit for meditation. If somebody comes, something unavoidable, it's okay. That's life, right? So, it's okay. Just join us at another time and make sure you do the meditation for that day. In Bhastrika, inhaling and exhaling, Yeah, or both through the nose. Ma'am, I keep getting distracted. My mind keeps thinking about what all I need to complete and all. This is very normal. Many of our co-participants will join you in this. This is a natural tendency of the mind. We start to think and start planning. But with practice, we will notice that, you are more and more still during meditation. Now for that, there are the 3 golden rules that we need to remember. Just during the 20 minutes of meditation or 15 minutes of meditation, I do nothing, I want nothing, I am nothing. Just remember them gently before you start and drop everything. See, anyway, one day everything will drop, right? So meditation in 20 minutes consciously dissolving the world.
My 13 years old daughter is feeling happy to join and organized her desk yesterday after the session.
So nice to
Ipsy
hear that. Wonderful. Okay, please advise if there is a pranayam to control snoring. Janki ji, all the pranayams that we are doing will help because they will help to first keep the airways open, right? Second, they also help in strengthening our breathing muscles, also with any sinus related concerns. So all of the pranayams that we are doing here will be beneficial. They must be practiced every day. That's very important. My shoulders pop every time I do Bhastrika. Should I avoid it? Yeah, if it's painful and if it's happening every time, you can avoid it. I have epilepsy. Will this meditation help me improve my health? See, like I said earlier, stress is a big trigger for many of our nervous disorders, right? So definitely meditation helps to bring down the stress levels. In that way it will help. How to close eyes while meditating? Okay, you just have to close your eyes, that's it. Okay, any other questions?
Does meditation helps in cystic fibrosis and celiac disease?
See, linking meditation to one disease and that will not be fair actually. See, any illness in the body, it happens because of several things coming together, right? So just by saying, oh, I'll just meditate every day and this particular disease will go away, that's not the right way to approach it. Yeah, we have to look at all the aspects. You follow the medication, you follow the advice your doctor has given, but along with that, add meditation and breath work to your day-to-day life. What is this doing? It is keeping your mind strong. Many times the illness's effect is maybe X, but the mental effect of the stress caused by the illness is 2x, right? So keeping the stress levels down, keeping the mind strong, it will help you deal with whatever is coming your way. And definitely keeping stress low helps you avoid a lot of these nervous system related diseases, lot of hormonal imbalances. It is something which we need for our mental hygiene. So you have to practice this every day, disease or no disease.
Is it natural to get distracted by the background music played during the meditation session?
Yeah, maybe for you that may be the case, but don't worry, it's not forever. With time and with practice, you won't even notice it. Yeah, that is also kept because many people, when there is silence in the meditation, they start to wonder, have we lost the connection? Has it got disconnected? So the little music is kept in the background just to make them aware that the meditation is still on. Okay. Can overthinking be recovered by meditation? It helps in a big, big way. Yeah, overthinking, worrying, stress of any kind, you will find meditation will be like a boon for you. Okay. I missed yesterday's session. Please brief what was in the class. So Saloni, we are doing a different meditation with Gurudev every day. Along with that, we are practicing our pranayams every day, right? So the meditation that we did with Gurudev, that unfortunately now the session has already gone, it's not recorded. But the pranayam practice you anyways did with us today. Yeah? So half of it you have already covered. Just make sure you join from tomorrow. Yeah? No worries. If you have missed something so far, just forget about it. Start afresh today. देखिए, अगर आपके कोई 1-2 सेशंस मिस भी हो गए हों तो आप चिंता ना करें, इधर से आगे हम सब सेशंस अटेंड करेंगे, ऐसा सोच के चलिए. देखो, एक दिन कभी मिस भी हो जाए तो फिर ये नहीं सोचेगा अरे मिस हो गया अब क्या वापस जाना, नहीं. ठीक है, मिस हुआ, एक ही दिन हुआ, फिर वापस से शुरू कीजिए, फिर वापस से। जो लोग वापस शुरू करते हैं वो बने रहते हैं, है ना? ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द टीम?
Yeah. I have hernia, but I want to do Bhastrika.
You should avoid it. See, it's for your own health that we are asking you to not to do this. Bhastrika is a little forceful breath. It can put pressure on the tone muscle. So avoid it for now, and then you can do the other pranayams. So many other pranayams are there, or just do it so gently with no pressure at all. Then it's fine. A bad incident happened to me and I couldn't overcome this incident. All the time this incident disturbed me. Can I overcome it through pranayam and meditation? Absolutely. Absolutely. When something unpleasant happens and it creates such a deep impact on our memory, nothing seems to help. If someone gives you some advice, that doesn't work. No words, no motivation, nothing works because that impact is so strong, right? But meditation is that which is like a balm for our soul. Yeah? You start to feel so much more lighter and more relaxed. Yeah? So for sure this will help. You keep practicing. With that, let's bring this session to a close. If we have missed some of your questions, don't worry. We are meeting you 3 times a day. You can ask your questions again in the next session. Till then, take care everyone. Namaste.